Hey travelers, welcome back to Travel Tips_USA. Puerto Rico is calling. Imagine this. You, strolling down cobblestone streets, the scent of spices and tropical flowers filling the air, the sound of salsa music beckoning you to dance. We're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through this Caribbean gem, uncovering hidden waterfalls in lush rainforests, basking on pristine beaches, and savoring the most delicious food your taste buds have ever encountered. Get ready to fall in love with the warmth of the people, the richness of the culture, and the sheer beauty of this island paradise. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the heart of Puerto Rico together. One of the things that makes Puerto Rico so appealing is its accessibility. For my fellow US citizens, no passport is needed. Just hop on a plane and in a few short hours, you'll be stepping onto this enchanting island. Once you touch down at Luis Muñoz Marin International Airport in San Juan, you've got options. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, but if navigating through traffic isn't your idea of a vacation, no worries. Taxis are readily available, and ride-sharing apps like Uber are popular here too. Traffic in San Juan can be a bit adventurous, especially during peak hours. My advice? Embrace the slower pace, roll down the windows, and let the vibrant energy of the island wash over you. If you have a little extra time before heading to your final destination, why not spend a night or two in San Juan? It's a great way to ease into the Puerto Rican vibe and get a taste of what's to come. Plus, you'll be strategically located to explore the wonders of Old San Juan, which, trust me, is an experience you won't want to rush. Get ready to step back in time as we wander through the enchanting streets of Old San Juan, a place where history whispers from every cobblestone and vibrant colors dance on centuries-old buildings. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a feast for the senses, a captivating blend of Spanish colonial architecture, lively plazas, and the infectious rhythm of Latin culture. As you explore the narrow, winding streets, be sure to look up. You'll be treated to intricate balconies overflowing with flowers, wrought iron details that tell stories of a bygone era, and glimpses of the shimmering blue ocean beyond. No trip to Old San Juan is complete without a visit to its two majestic fortresses, Castillo San Felipe del Morro and Castillo San Cristobal. These imposing structures, perched strategically along the coastline, have stood guard for centuries, silent witnesses to the island's rich and sometimes tumultuous past. Stepping inside these forts is like stepping into another world. You can almost hear the echoes of soldiers' footsteps and the clang of swords, imagining the battles that unfolded within their walls, and the views, simply breathtaking. From the ramparts, you'll be rewarded with panoramic vistas of the city, the harbor, and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. But Old San Juan is more than just history. As the sun begins to set, the city comes alive with a vibrant energy. The air fills with the tantalizing aromas of traditional cuisine, and the sounds of salsa music spill out from lively bars and restaurants. Calling all nature lovers, Puerto Rico is ready to steal your heart with its dazzling array of natural wonders. From lush rainforests to pristine beaches and even magical bioluminescent bays, this island is a true paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Let's start with El Yunque National Forest, a verdant paradise just an hour outside of San Juan. This tropical rainforest, the only one in the U.S. National Forest System, is a symphony of sights and sounds. Imagine towering trees draped in emerald vines, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic flowers, and the sound of cascading waterfalls creating a soothing melody. Hike along well-maintained trails like La Mina Falls or El Angelito, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of cascading waterfalls plunging into crystal-clear pools. Keep an eye out for the playful coqui frogs, whose distinctive calls are synonymous with the Puerto Rican rainforest. Now, if you're looking for a truly unforgettable experience, a visit to one of Puerto Rico's bioluminescent bays is an absolute must. Imagine gliding through the water at night, surrounded by millions of tiny organisms that light up like stars with your every movement. Mosquito Bay in Vieques is renowned for having the brightest bioluminescence in the world, but you can also experience this magical phenomenon at Laguna Grande in Fajardo or La Parguera in Lajas. Trust me, swimming in these glowing waters is an experience you'll cherish forever. Let's be honest, a trip to the Caribbean wouldn't be complete without some serious beach time, and Puerto Rico certainly doesn't disappoint. With miles of coastline, this island paradise boasts a beach for every taste, from secluded coves to lively stretches perfect for soaking up the sun and riding the waves. If you're dreaming of picture-perfect white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters, then Flamenco Beach in Culebra should be at the top of your list. This world-renowned beach is truly a sight to behold, a place where you can simply relax, unwind, and let the gentle Caribbean breeze wash away your worries. For those who prefer a touch of luxury with their beach experience, Condado Beach in San Juan is the place to be. This upscale stretch of sand is lined with elegant resorts, chic beachfront bars, and swaying palm trees, offering the perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication. Families will find their happy place at Luquillo Beach, known for its calm, shallow waters and plethora of food kiosks serving up delicious local treats. Imagine the kids splashing in the waves while you savor the flavors of fresh seafood and traditional Puerto Rican cuisine. And if you're a surfer at heart, then head west to Rincon, where you'll find some of the best waves in the Caribbean. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Rincon's legendary surf breaks are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Hold on tight, adventure seekers, because Puerto Rico is ready to take you on a thrilling ride. From heart-pumping ziplines to awe-inspiring caves and ancient wonders, this island is an adrenaline junkie's paradise. If you're looking for an experience that will take your breath away, head straight to Toro Verde Adventure Park, home to some of the longest and most exhilarating ziplines in the world. Feel the wind in your hair and the ground disappear beneath you as you soar through the air on the Monster, a zipline that stretches over 1.5 miles. For a journey into the depths of the earth, explore the wonders of Rio Camuy Cave Park. This vast network of caves, carved over millennia by the third largest underground river in the world, is a sight to behold. Imagine towering caverns adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, sparkling underground streams, and a sense of awe and wonder that will stay with you long after you emerge back into the sunlight. And for a truly unique adventure that combines history and nature, a visit to Cueva del Indio is a must. This seaside cave, adorned with ancient petroglyphs carved by the indigenous Taino people, offers a glimpse into Puerto Rico's rich cultural heritage. Plus, the views of the coastline from the cliffs above are simply breathtaking. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, because Puerto Rican cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors that will have you craving for more. Influenced by Spanish, African, and indigenous Taino traditions, the food here is a celebration of fresh ingredients, bold spices, and a whole lot of heart. One dish you absolutely have to try is mofongo, a Puerto Rican staple made from mashed plantains that are then fried and typically stuffed with savory fillings like shrimp, pork, or chicken. It's hearty, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. For a quick and tasty snack, be sure to grab some alcapurrias. These crispy, golden brown fritters are made from a dough of yuca or plantains and filled with a variety of savory meats or seafood. They're best enjoyed piping hot from street vendors or local eateries. If you're a pork lover, then you can't miss out on lechon asado, slow-roasted pork that's seasoned to perfection and cooked until it's incredibly tender and juicy. Head to the town of Guavate, known as the Pork Highway, for the ultimate lechon experience. And of course, no trip to Puerto Rico would be complete without sipping on a refreshing piña colada, the island's national drink. Legend has it that this iconic cocktail was invented at Barachina in Old San Juan, so be sure to stop by and raise a glass to Puerto Rican ingenuity. Buen provecho. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A Caribbean vacation can't be budget-friendly, right? Well, think again. Puerto Rico is a destination that can be enjoyed on any budget, and I'm here to share some insider tips to help you make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. First things first, consider staying at paradores instead of pricey resorts. These locally owned guest houses offer a charming and authentic experience at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you'll be supporting local businesses and immersing yourself in the true spirit of Puerto Rican hospitality. When it comes to getting around, ditch the taxis and embrace the adventure of public transportation. Puerto Rico has a reliable and affordable public bus system that can take you to most major attractions. For a truly local experience, hop on a Publico, a shared van that follows specific routes and offers a fun and budget-friendly way to explore the island. And when it's time to eat, forget fancy restaurants and embrace the delicious and affordable world of roadside kiosks and local markets. These culinary gems offer a taste of authentic Puerto Rican cuisine at prices that won't break the bank. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes like mofongo and alcapurrias, you'll find plenty of mouthwatering options to satisfy your cravings. Remember, some of the best things in life are free. Spend your days exploring the cobblestone streets of Old San Juan, soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, and hiking through lush rainforests. Puerto Rico is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural attractions that won't cost you a dime. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. One of the best things about Puerto Rico is its year-round warm weather, making it the perfect escape from those chilly winter months. But with average temperatures hovering between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, you might be wondering when's the absolute best time to pack your bags and jet off to this Caribbean paradise. If you're dreaming of endless sunshine, perfect beach weather, and vibrant festivals, then the peak season from December to April is calling your name. Keep in mind that this is also the busiest time of year, so expect larger crowds and higher prices. For those looking for a more budget-friendly escape, the shoulder seasons of spring, April to June, and fall, September to November, offer a sweet spot. You'll enjoy pleasant temperatures, fewer crowds, and often find great deals on flights and accommodations. If you don't mind a little rain and are willing to embrace the occasional tropical shower, then the off-season from May to November can be a great time to experience Puerto Rico without the crowds. Just be sure to pack an umbrella and check the weather forecast, as this is also hurricane season. No matter when you decide to visit, Puerto Rico is sure to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your adventure today. From the moment you arrive in Puerto Rico, you'll be swept away by its infectious energy, vibrant culture, and breathtaking beauty. Whether you're exploring historic forts, hiking through lush rainforests, or simply relaxing on pristine beaches, this island paradise has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Tips _USA for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep those travel plans coming. Hasta luego, travelers!